Are you struggling to find cash buyers for your wholesale deals in the South Carolina market? In this video, I'm going to share some insider strategies to not only help you locate the biggest buyers in the area, but also how to build those key relationships so that you can scale your real estate investing business with predictability. What's up, guys? My name is Ben Lovro, and over the past several years, my team has flipped hundreds of houses across the country and currently run a full-scale real estate investing operation. In the process, I've learned what it takes to find the best cash buyers in your local market and how to build those key relationships so that you can start to build your real estate investing business brick by brick. Now, in this video, I want to uncover some of these strategies on how we locate the cash buyers, the places where they hang out. So regardless if you're a beginning investor or a seasoned pro, some of these insights and applicable tips are going to help you identify and build strong relationships with cash buyers who are ready to close on your wholesale deals. Let me tell you a quick story. Now, this takes us back about 5 years. At the time, I had a property under contract downtown Columbia, South Carolina. I was fairly new to the industry at the time. I knew that the numbers were really good on the deal, but when I started to market it, all of the feedback that was coming back was, hey, this property is located in a major flood area. Flood zone obviously means flood insurance. It also means that your buying pool shrinks by probably 80 to 90%. So after trying to market this property for a couple of weeks, spinning my wheels, I finally connected with one of my buddies who actually said, hey, no worries, I actually have a buyer that doesn't worry about flood zones, right? He's a cash buyer, he's a landlord, and he just wants to build his portfolio, so he's looking for more properties to purchase. So lo and behold, my buddy helped me find the buyer. We joint ventured on the deal, split profits, and at the end of the day, we're able to help a family out, get the property closed, and this landlord was happy as well. Now, what I learned in this season and in this specific deal was that I needed to get serious about building better relationships. I had to get serious about how I found and built my cash buyer database, because your cash buyers are going to help you build and scale your real estate investing operation. They also give you the confidence to be able to make offers because you know that at the end of the day, they're going to perform on the deal. So I know that many of you are facing similar challenges in your real estate investing business. So if nothing else, I hope that this video encourages you to get out there and start building better relationships. Now, here's some key ways that you can start building cash buyer relationships in any market across the United States. Number one is networking events. Believe it or not, real estate investing clubs, RIAs, real estate investing associations, local conferences, all these places are a really solid way to connect with cash buyers in your local area. And as you start to forge these relationships and see who's who are the players, who's doing deals, who's going to pay more for a certain deal in a certain area, then you can start getting precise and dialed in with how you run your marketing and how you locate better deals. Number two is real estate agents. Now, a lot of real estate investors hate and bash on real estate agents. There's almost like this unspoken beef, right? Agents versus investors. But guys, I've been talking about this for a couple of years. In this shifting real estate climate, real estate agents and investors need to get on the same team. It's a different market than it was 5 years ago. And where things are going with technology and everything else, the more that we come together as resources to help each other close deals and grow our businesses, the whole team wins. Real estate is a team sport, and together we all achieve more. The third place that you should be looking and connecting with cash buyers in your market is online platforms. Facebook, LinkedIn, BiggerPockets, all solid places where you can find pools of investors that are all hanging out in the same places. You can try Facebook groups like For Sale or Wanted groups. You can find local real estate investing groups in the area. Cash buyers are everywhere, and it's your job to get out there, roll up your sleeves, and figure out who is buying in your local market. Direct marketing is number 4. We're not currently sending out mail to cash buyers. Now, over the past several years, we've built up one of the biggest cash buyer databases in the South Carolina area. And so we're not as worried now about building new relationships. This is more for newer beginner wholesalers who are looking to connect with the players in the game. This is a great way for you guys to get out there, send some postcards to the cash buyers that you pull off of a tool like PropStream, PropWire, any of those free lists that you can download. Figure out who's buying the most properties, simply send them a direct mail piece or even skip trace their phone number. As you guys are building your database, you need to always be thinking about, okay, whenever I find a deal in a certain area, who is that player? Who is the cash buyer that I know can perform, that I know is a person of their word and can make the deal happen? Now, lastly, I'm going to close with this. We are currently buying properties across the South Carolina market. Earlier this week, I closed on a deal in Aiken. Last week, we purchased a property in Newberry, Columbia, and we closed a property in the upstate in Spartanburg. We're aggressively looking for wholesale deals in the area, and over the past several years have been building our construction crews, and our business, believe it or not, is built on relationships. So just like you guys are looking for vetted buyers, looking for cash buyers in the South Carolina market, we would love to squad up and build a long-term relationship with you. Guys, I promise, if you put your best foot forward and you go through the steps that we just went over in this video, you're going to build solid relationships. Simply reach out to people. Make sure that you have a clear message, have a value proposition, not just a, hey, what can I take from this relationship? What can I take from you? You want to always come from a servant first mentality, meaning, hey, when I'm connecting with these cash buyers, I want to always bring value, regardless. A lot of these people have a plethora of knowledge to share, but you don't want to just leech off of that knowledge. You want to figure out how you can meet them right where they are so that you can add value to what they're already doing. And if you go into relationships with this mentality, I promise you have no choice but to win. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This way you guys stay up to date with new videos as soon as we post them. We do a lot of work, a lot of research to stay on the forefront of the market because we are seeing where things are going. And our goal is to forge better relationships. In fact, we host a monthly meetup group here in the Midlands area where we connect with local investors from all shapes and sizes, right? We got newbies, we've got experienced pros, we have some multifamily operators. The network is deep. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video today. Get out there, roll up your sleeves, and build a solid network of cash buyers. I promise this is the gift that keeps on giving. So get out there and work it, and I'll see you at the winning table.